So we're working on the AMC304 today. We're gonna try to get this thing buttoned up and all that. And what we're doing here is that we gotta get our bolt pattern as far as tightening your head down. The reason they usually recommend this is because if you were to just go from one side or the other, you might take the risk of maybe like cracking the corner or something like that. So you want to go on like a circular motion, they say, when you're tightening the head down. So the other thing is to try to make it into like a 3-step process, whether, let's say, 90 foot-pounds is your end result. So you'll do like a 30, 60, 90 or something like that, depending on what they recommend.
And they say a circular motion or pattern, is it?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. Very good. Very good.
So yeah. All right, come on, tighten these things down.
Guys, I could have worn my full face helmet.
Here we have our master mechanic, Mr.
Not that far off.
Why, you want it out of your garage?
Do you watch what you're doing, please?
Yeah. Relax.
Jeez.
Setting it there for
I
right
don't know
now.
why it's blowing oil out the side.
I'm just asking questions. I don't know anything. I don't know much more you can do. It looks pretty done.
I love that car. That's a cool car.
Yeah, we'll be
You know what? I went and looked at
You got in your hand there, Michael. Oh. What's he fishing out of your transmission? Is that niblets?
Fuck.
I mean, and it doesn't bother me.
Jeez Louise. Oh my.
There's gonna be more.
It's not good, man.
Oh man, there's all.
So like, we'll just bring the water, we'll put you in bed, and
They're.
we'll stay out of the
What is going on here? Is that like from a bearing or?
Yeah, they're.
Is that
I haven't had one apart in a while, man. There's one set of. There's a set of these that I was using like. I don't know, some sort of like wax or something to hold it all in place. And I haven't had one apart so long. I can't remember. I thought it was more up front. And here, see? It is. And there is. So there's one of those things that's down in here still. There should be 3 flats, right? You only have 2. Yeah, there should be 3. 2 go with it.
I thought it was May 31st it was going to come back on.
Oh, they are? I thought they just gave up.
No, May 31st they're supposed to do another, go back to racing.
Yeah, let me think here.
It started back in what, January, February. But so we were about to, start talking about going down to Indy, and then right when this shit happened, then they canceled.
I was glad I didn't buy tickets.
Well, they refunded actually because
So I can't go any harder further.
No.
So
But you're like literally.
I believe you gotta take. Is there a
Like
cone
a
in here?
plate
There's a cone
or
in
something?
here, right? Behind here? No, yeah. Yeah, that cone comes off. And then you'll be able to pull that front bearing out, and then you'll be able to reload that, put it in. It's easier on this than the one, the Chevy conversion. Because the Chevy conversion doesn't have the bell housing or that cone or something.
Well, my question is, why would they come out?
And you guys pulled.
Yeah, because it's slacked back. Maybe because there's no maybe retaining clip or anything on that. So when it fell backwards,
Right.
because they probably just have the transfer that naturally holds it in spot.
Yeah. And then there was just like 2 up ramps, 2 up ramps.
So when you took that transmission,
When you were being an animal jerking this out.
It's coming again in the fall. So I was
Every time you come out, you have to drink.
This fucking works. Mike, lift that up. Can you lift it up? Yeah. Leave it like that. Can you lift it up again?
Hold on, I can't.
Yep. Let's see if Jake wants to use the impact on. Jake, you want to tighten those up?
Yeah.
Get on it.
make sure you break them off. Into the crane.
Don't stop till you hear that compressor kick on. I was like, gosh dang.
Strip that fucker.
Yeah.
Blew the head right off.
The other way.
Well, get the heat out, the easy out.
Just bump it, dude. That's a hell of a bump.
I don't know.
Hey, you might want to.
Alright,
Nice.
like that.
Nice.
Yep. Good job, brother.
It'll be fine.
It's gonna be just a trail.
He's not. We're not pushing any mad power through this thing.
But if your legs do go missing,
Perfect.
Feel good about that?
I don't know, should I?
it'll be fine. Dude.
Keep going? No, I'm pretty sure you got a couple thousandths off doing that. You're good.
All right.
Take them in your hand.
One slice of bread.
Just make them loose. You don't want to grip onto them. You want them loose. You walk over like any running water or a pipe, they will move
Dang.
on their own.
Huh.
It's wild.
Alright, one piece of bread will do you, or
It might take a couple. Jamming it with this? What am I jamming it with? I
just
would.
start putting it in there?
Yeah, start just breaking little pieces off, stuffing them in.
Is your motor hungry?
There you are. Are you hungry, buddy?
Kind of looks like it's like Mike's belly button.
Do you have something around that you could?
I'm a little round. Rotund or whatever.
Better not have another one.
You could use a socket.
Are you filming?
All right, guys. So what they had said is that if you pack bread in there, it's gonna force. Is that a copper or a brass sleeve?
It's brass.
Brass sleeve out.
Ooh.
That's pretty.
Do I need to pack that in?
Probably.
Is it gonna fit?
We'll use this sack. Actually, you know what?
What?
This thing might
Dad,
Wedge
can you
in
use
there.
that
wiggle it out.
Dad.
This is. You don't care if this gets beat on, do you?
I don't think so. I think that one's already bent.
Does it fit just real tight?
But
I think it's perfect.
See, is it moving?
Uh-oh.
You may never get it out. Anyway, it's my motor.
is that the new adapter we got for the transmission shaft?
We might have
Was it better for the crust?
It is. The crusty side.
The crust is it?
Yep, it's coming.
That's just pretty hard.
Pretty neat, huh?
That is cool.
You
Isn't
could
it?
do grease too.
Yeah.
Go ahead, man. Keep packing.
Packer, good. Can't believe you guys never seen that before.
You change valves too. Valve stems, valve seals. You put rope inside.
Yep.
Be better if this thing was in the air, wouldn't it?
You
Here it
act
comes.
like it's impossible for it to go back up.
More bread.
More cowbell. Watch your hand, watch your hand.
Oh my god.
Beautiful.
Do not put that on film with me using this goddamn hammer.
Well, you should have grabbed the hammer because I'm definitely putting the Wonder Bread trick on.
All right.
I see.
Lining the torque wheel. Again. Yep. How you doing over there, buddy?
Pretty good.
Fantastic.
All right. Awesome. Hopefully.
Cool.
Alright. Come and hold the motor.
Yeah, yep, I got it.
Yep, yep.
They should just slide right
Start.
We just need to go up high.
Yeah.
That way this thing's
Go up
going.
some. I don't know.
Alright guys, so we're back here and we are deciding to paint the frame up here and the back firewall. Just because everything's out, it's a good time to paint it and all that. And get this thing cleaned up. We already pressure washed it. So get it painted up. It should dry pretty quick. This won't affect us putting the motor in at all. And hopefully we'll still be sinking that in. And it'll look like a nice achievement today, seeing that motor in there. So as long as we get that, oh my, is that another motor mount? We got motor mounts for days here, guys. We gotta figure out where all these things go. It's real nice. That looks nice.
Oh shit.
All right, we got the motor up in the air, and she is ready to.
I can't see it.
Who puts their wrenches that high? You think that's tall? You should look at Brent's. His goes up to the ceiling. You gotta get a step ladder just to
stand it so you get the bottom drawer.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we've been almost about ready to put this thing in, and we just been doing it, all the little knickknacks all the time. But got our motor mounts bolted in and all that. Got this thing painted.
Up we go, man.
Working on it, buddy.
You gonna bring it down or what?
Bring her down.
Going down. All right. I have a lot of confidence in that.
It'd make a good video though.
It would.
Hang on a second.
Is that like a hang on a second stop?
Alright, go down. Slowly.
Yep.
It's the opposite of that. Alright, hold. Are yours in?
Yeah.
Alright, well mine are.
Hang on. You got a floor jack?
Yeah, it's right by Mike.
Mike, put it under the trans mount in the back. Probably gotta go up a hair on the back now.
Smack that bitch with a hammer.
I mean we're right there.
Yeah, give that a little flex on there. Give it a little. Yeah.
Look at that, little wiggle, baby. Little wiggle.
God, he makes it look so easy. Alright guys, so that's about it for today. We got the motor in there. And it's bolted down and all that. The trans is in. We just gotta hook up the transfer and carb, fuel lines, pulleys, belt, steering pump. Definitely some lot more work to go, but it's definitely a good start when you start seeing the motor in there, and that's usually you start to hammer down and get her done. So hopefully a few more times and it'll be done. So that's about it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.